All right, so I got the first harness out. Just be very careful because if this breaks, you got to replace the whole entire unit. But this literally, see if I can focus, literally go right in between here. Go right in between there, push down. What I did was I wedged this in here and then I rested on the back of here. Not too crazy, just to give you a nice little amount of leverage. And then I just did like so, and I used the flathead, the mini flathead, to push down at the same time. Took the pick with the leverage and just took my time and just popped it off. So that's what you gotta do. Just be very careful, take your time. It took me about maybe like 30 minutes to get that first one. So it's time to get that second one off and keep the show going.